Hey, what's up guys? So on today's video we're going to be launching from Ellie Rays Rv Resort and campgrounds. We're going to be launching, riding up the Santa Fe River. We're going to hit Dogwood Springs. We're going to hit Ginnie Springs, over to Blue Springs. We're going to try and make it to Devil's Ear, I believe they call it. But going to be a fun ride. I encourage you guys, if you haven't rode on the Santa Fe River, get out here and ride it. It's an amazing area. Ellie Rays, you can rent cabins here. They've got a pool, campground, pull your RV here, whatever you want, but awesome spot. You can launch and ride up the Santa Fe or back down to the Suwannee River and over to Bob's River Place. But I encourage you guys, get out here and ride it, have fun. Look at this, it's amazing out here. Boats, skis everywhere. You're coming with me on this ride through this lens right here. Let's get out there and explore the Santa Fe River. Check these guys out floating down the river, snorkeling. All right, so we just made it to Ginnie Springs. This is where Basil and I came last time. You guys saw we went up Ginnie River here. We made it to that bridge structure where it got kind of, the water conditions got a little choppy. Went through the bridge structure up to Ginnie, came all the way back. Well, today, we're actually gonna go the opposite direction. We came from this way last time, we stopped here. Now we're gonna go east up the Santa Fe River and find a couple other springs that are a little further up the river that we couldn't make it to last time. So anyhow, let's continue east and find these springs that Basil has mapped out for us. You ready to head east, find some other springs? Let's do it, I'm following you, let's go. We're getting deeper into Santa Fe River. It's starting to get narrow. Let's see where it takes us. All right guys, we just pulled up to spring number 1. Don't know the name of this spring yet, but we're going in right now. Let's go. Look at this beautiful water. All right guys, so we made it to Dogwood Spring. We've been on the river for about an hour and a half. We launched from Ellie Rays, made it to Dogwood Spring, and beautiful spring. After this we're going to hit Ginnie, and then I think they called it Devil's Eye or Devil's Ear. But check this out, this is absolutely gorgeous. Here we go. Wish me luck, fellers. Hey, it's cold. If I lock up, somebody jump in and save me. All right guys, so that was Dogwood Spring behind us, and awesome spring. We're gonna get back out on the river and ride up to, I think they called it Devil's Ear, and also Ginnie Springs. But round up the troops, get back on the skis, and make it up to the next spring. Santa Fe River, that way. Let's go. Again, the water is getting rough. It's getting a little shallower over here. You can actually see land right there popping up. Woo, it is definitely a heavy current. We're getting closer. I think it's right around that bend. We should be there. Guys, we officially made it to Ginnie Springs. Let's get the skis tied up, make our way into the spring head, and see what Ginnie Springs is all about. Woo, exploring Florida. This is what it's all about. Get out, explore Florida. So much to see, so many places to visit. Here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Be careful, come on. Look at all this craziness. Oh. Hey, whoa. All right, whoa. I hope that thing didn't just bite me. I think it just bit me. I don't know what that is, but it looks poisonous. Holy cow. Well, apparently it's a banana spider. I was just told they're not poisonous.
But they bite.
But they bite. Freaked me out. I thought that was a big spider. Those things are huge. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. Ooh, whoa. That thing was climbing on my neck. No, I'm not doing this. All right, first encounter with Ginnie Springs has not been the best, but we'll get past that. We're on the Santa Fe River. There you go. Resume normal, safe operations. Always love to see those signs. Let's go. There's Blue Springs right up there. We're gonna climb out and walk down this boardwalk, huh? Let's do it. All right, come on. Oh, whoo, we made it. All right. There it is. Come on, let's do it. All right, we're up on this boardwalk heading into Blue Springs. Beautiful down there. Look at all the families just enjoying it. This is what Florida's all about. That is the head of Blue Springs, and now I definitely know where it gets its name from, Blue Springs. It's almost like an eerie, bright blue color, hence Blue Springs. But we're getting ready to put the goggles on, jump down in there, and see how blue it really is.